Cebu City, Queen City of the South, considered as the country's oldest city and the birthplace of Christianity in the East. Pretty cool. Cebu City was the first settlement of the Spaniards and the first capital of the Philippines as well. A city and island full of rich history. In Cebu, Philippines, right now is like midnight, I think, and I'm making my way to the hotel and gonna crash. I'm here with Al. Al is my private driver for the day. He's gonna take me around Cebu, show me some cool stuff. I'm gonna learn about the Filipino culture, lifestyle, maybe try some authentic food. It's gonna be an awesome time. Fresh cocktail.
Yeah.
Thank you. Salamat.
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 Where you from, sir?
America.
Oh.
Salamat.
You have after
Cheers.
work?
Thank you, Al.
After night?
Fresh.
Yours?
Nothing like fresh fruit in the Philippines. All right, we are at Tops Lookout. That's what it's called, right?
Tops overlooking.
Tops Overlooking. So this place overlooks all of Cebu City. The view is amazing from up here. It's crazy. You can see the whole city in the back. Damn. Wow, this view is crazy.
So that one there, the other side, Danny,
Mhm.
seems like a similarity of the Bohol, which is Chocolate Hills.
Okay.
Island, but it's not small. Unlike in
it's not.
Bohol. Yeah.
Then that part over there is Cebu.
Yes. City of Cebu. The other one is in the middle of the sea.
Mhm.
See that one? The other one is the Lapu-Lapu area.
Oh, Mactan.
Yeah, in the side of the airport. It's very near.
So I am at this place called Temple of Leah, as you can see in the background. I don't know too much about the history of it, but from what my driver told me, it's made after a celebrity in the Philippines. Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, so that's why all of the
So this was built after her.
yes, yeah.
So okay, so she was like a really famous, like
Yes.
almost celebrity type.
Yes. And then his nephew or something as of now, the famous one, alien there now is based on the Manila now. And then yeah, she's also the one sponsoring this to build this one.
Hmm.
And then it's just like gods like Zeus or something there, other stuff, you know.
Oh yeah, that is the Greek gods, right?
Yeah. And then, yeah, that's it. And then this one is the museum. That one is the museum.
All right, walking up the steps. Just in the background, go check out the inside. I guess it's to the right of it's a museum, and the left of it, it's like, I don't know. I'll find out, right? So let's go see what's up with this. Looks nice inside. They got some really nice chandeliers, really fancy. And from what my driver said, that at nighttime it illuminates and the chandeliers light up. The fountain in the back lights up. I could assume this place looks pretty awesome at night. Nice little setup. You can also see the overview of Cebu City from here, so I really didn't even need to go to Tops Lookout when I could have just came here, saved myself an entrance fee at Tops Lookout, and pay this entrance fee. Overlooks the city of Cebu, at the same time see this architect in the background.